Geneva, where the Reformation was written, the Red Cross was born, and a fountain shoots higher than a football field is long. And you're about to walk right past all of it. 300 Swiss francs private guides. A rushed hour at the cathedral before being herded back to the bus. Geneva's real stories, Calvin's Reformation, Dunant's Red Cross, a duke's eccentric fortune left completely unheard. Uvamai's Geneva self-guided audio tour hands you 18 of the city's richest stories. The Reformation Wall, Lake Geneva, The Broken Chair, with expert narration guidebooks never touched. $6. Your access link arrives straight to your inbox. No app, just press play and walk. Stand where the jet dough roars 140 meters into the sky. Trace the Reformation Wall's hidden codes. Uncover the Duke of Brunswick's strange, fortune-funded tomb. Step beside the broken chair and hear why it still divides opinion outside the United Nations. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Geneva, not just photograph it. $6. 18 Geneva landmarks. Your story of the city? Get your access link now at uvamai.com.